Are you watching this video because you don't know how to take the door off of a Honda Accord? This one right here is a 1998 Honda Accord that we have at this pull-up park. Right, we here today, so we can show y'all how to take out the door. Let's get into it. So I know a lot of y'all may be wondering why in the world are you at a junkyard. Unfortunately today I was hit, boom, knocked my rear mirror. So we coming here to replace it. The first thing you want to do is start off by taking this out. Now I'm messing with this because it's already out, so you might as well take it out. But that right there goes first. There's usually a screw that goes in right there. You'll take it out. It's with a screwdriver. This is a flathead Phillips screw. After you take it out, there's a clip. You want to take the clip out. There you go. You can put the thing wherever you go. There you walk. Boom. Put that right there. And then there's another clip right here. Another screw. I have this, so we're gonna see if we can do it. What's going on? So the screw is not coming off, so I had to pound it out while unscrewing it, so you can have pressure, so the screw will actually do its job, because it was jammed in there. Wow. I'm probably gonna take this for me as well. Then after you take this out, there's gonna be 3 more clips. You wanna be able to take all 3 of them out. Sometimes you gotta reposition your hand so you can get the little clip that's right here. You just shake it so you get it. Yeah, where's the clip for this one right here? It's giving you a hard time. Ooh. Work smarter, not harder. Boom. Okay, guys, the next step. Ooh. Pull this out. On the right side out there. Go from the bottom. Have it. Then since you have the lock right here, you want to shake it and move up. Oh, and I apologize. You also have to take out the lock. And then you, as well as the light, which is down here. Oh yeah. Hey guys, so if you're having trouble getting to the actual socket, you want to put on an extension. And there you go. So there's gonna be the white paper over this clip that you'll need to take out before you're able to take out the mirror. You just hold that button and pull. While shaking it a little bit. Shaky. Pow. There you have your mirror. If she a demon, if she a demon, if she a demon, she looking so hot, I'm wondering if she a demon.